It took us nearly 2 hours to travel from the city of Shaft to the top of the mountain and the stunning Veys Rud waterfall. The journey was both mesmerizing and maddening, a road carved through dense, interwoven trees painted in the fiery colors of autumn. We were brimming with anticipation. Oh, no, what a surprise! The place is teeming with people, something the tour guide conveniently left out. We had envisioned a serene, untouched paradise, only to be greeted by a cacophony of blaring, jarring music. Disappointment hit hard. Oh no, man! You might think crowds are a good thing, and perhaps they are. But for someone like me, who grew up dreaming of the serenity of the mountains, the noise and commotion were far from pleasant. All right then. Have fun, folks. As for me, I'm out of here. On the way back, I finally managed to find a pristine and peaceful spot. It was a place draped in lush green vegetation, with a dam that seemed to disappear into the unknown. Hey man! Look at this little thing. Despite its appearance, it's highly poisonous. I could walk to the end of this road, where the mountains are a dream and eternity is my only refuge.